Hey guys, Carrie Cobb, your B.O.S.S mortgage coach here. Congratulations, you're officially pre-qualified for a home loan. Now, what does that mean? All right, take a deep breath in with me. Yep, you've started the journey toward home ownership. And while it can be so exciting, it can also be very overwhelming at times as well. So, first, you want to check your email for details of the type of mortgage for which you qualify, along with receiving your pre-qualification letter, your estimated closing costs, and your estimated monthly payment. You will also be receiving an email from your loan manager, Carrie Ferris, my assistant. Please read each email entirely, as they contain information very important to your loan and next steps. Once you understand the loan for which you qualify, it's imperative to understand your down payment obligation, if there is one, closing costs, and how much you actually need to bring to closing. And your appraisal costs, because you will need to pay for your appraisal when we order it. This should be the only cost out of pocket in relation to your loan prior to closing. We will discuss additional costs in a moment. Second, let's understand the journey through which your loan will travel. Now is the exciting part. Going out, looking at homes with your trusted realtor. It is imperative that I take a moment to discuss the market in which we're in. We are currently in a seller's market where demand is extremely high and supply is extremely low. So once you have found the perfect home, it's kind of like Eminem said, you only get one shot. So it's imperative that you put your highest and your best offer on the table so that you can be competitive with others that are also bringing their offer to the table. I want you to be prepared to not get the first offer accepted. You may actually have to put in several offers before you win one. This is where most buyers get frustrated. I understand. So be prepared to have thick skin to win the home you really want. You got this. Finally, once your offer is accepted, your realtor will send me a copy of the fully executed contract. Now, when creating the offer, your realtor is going to explain to you what earnest money and due diligence are. Both of these are the additional costs I talked about earlier. Both of these also go toward your home at the closing table and do need to be paid at the time of the offer being accepted. So, do me a favor. Please take a picture of these checks and text them to me before you submit them to your realtor. We will also need the transaction history from your bank once these have cleared. So, keep that in mind for future. But we'll remind you, so don't worry about it. All right. Here at Movement, we have what's called the 671 process. This means that I'm going to take that fully executed contract, again, and all of the information you supplied me during the pre-qualification, like your pay stubs, W-2s, maybe taxes if you're self-employed, employment history along with your assets or bank statements, and a copy of your driver's license. All of this will be submitted to the underwriter, and they will process it within 6 business hours. That's the 6 of the 671. In other words, your loan should be conditionally approved shortly after it is submitted. Then we will process your loan within 7 business days. And within 1 business day for the final underwrite to receive your clear to close. So there you have it. The journey through which your loan will travel, 671. Cool, right? A few things to keep in mind. If anything changes with your current financial situation, or you are contemplating making any changes, shifting any funds, changing jobs, pretty much anything that deals with you and your money, call me first. That way we can find a way to assist you without you disqualifying yourself for your mortgage loan. I mean, you wouldn't want to get to the day of closing and then can't close because you took out a loan for furniture, right? So just call me. That's what I'm here for. We are so excited to be a part of your home buying team. Thank you so much for trusting the B.O.S.S Mortgage team to coach you throughout the home buying process and to make the best financial decisions for you and your family. Until the next video update, have a great day. Your B.O.S.S Mortgage Coach signing out.